Hi everyone, welcome to the shed. We're actually in the garden outside the shed this morning. Okay, so having initially thought I didn't need a front mudguard on this bike, looking at the video and playing it back, I think we need a little bobbed mudguard, as I've done on my CL350. So I'm going to do a how-to video on this. It's my first how-to video, so I'm going to try and keep it brief, but this is quite a long process. So I've got a previously made front fender that's been made from my Triumph Street Scrambler, and it's just about good enough. Might need a little bit of trimming, but it's a good starting point. So we're then going to use the original mudguard from the CV to take a photo of this area and import that into my 3D CAD software, and use that as basically as a template to make a 3D model, which I will then print. The CAD model in my 3D print software, and printer just chuntering away. I think this is it's about an hour and a half to print this. So now I've got the left and right hand pieces printed. I'll just clamp them in place, and we'll just have a go with the heat gun now, just to get the general shape. Okay, so they've cooled off now for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to mark the position of the mounting holes. And then we can drill those out and they'll be ready to fit to the bike. Make a pilot hole first. And the fixing holes drilled out. So here we're just mocking it up really, just to see how we can attach these two brackets to the actual fender. That's kind of what we want, but I've got to work out how to get the fixing holes in exactly the right position. So there's not a lot of room to play with, so I think what I'm going to do is make a piece, maybe print, or I'll work something out. I probably will just print a sheet effectively of plastic and then fix that between the two, and then that fixes that dimension. So just get a bit of cardboard and just pack an old sock under there to just give a bit of a gap to the tyre. So we want this curve to match the underside of the fender when it's on. I think that could do the trick. Okay, so I've 3D printed the joining piece and I've stuck it and clamped it. Just used Gorilla Glue. Should be good enough just to hold it before I skin it with the carbon fibre. Once that's been done, then it's solid, it's not going anywhere. So the glue is just a temporary solution. The glue has done a decent job of just holding that together. That should be good enough, so I can start sort of laying some carbon fibre on it now. So let's get to it.